Welcome everyone to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making coconut bake. You will need 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 2 cups coconut grated, 4 tablespoons softened butter, 2 teaspoon yeast, and 1.5 cup coconut milk. Okay, let's get started. So we are now going to mix everything until it's combined, and then we are going to add our coconut milk gradually until the mixture forms a very soft dough. Make sure all your dry ingredients is mixed into your dough before adding any more liquid, because sometimes you do not need the full 1.5 cups of coconut milk. As you can see, my dough is now coming together. After you're finished kneading it, you're going to leave it to rise for approximately 30 minutes. After that, you're going to punch it down, flatten it into a circle. Going to use a fork and make tiny holes across the surface of the dough. Brush it with melted butter, and then you are going to bake it in your oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until it's a nice golden brown. So this dough, I'm going to leave it to rise for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so this is our risen coconut bake dough, and I'm now going to punch it down a little, and I'm going to open it out flat on a round baking sheet. You can use a rolling pin, or you can just use your hand. So I'm going to use my hand, and you just press from the middle outwards. Not too thin. And when you're finished doing this, what I do, I use a fork and I just make tiny holes like this. And then I brush it with some melted butter. And you are going to bake it in an oven 350 degrees for approximately 30 to 35 minutes until it's a nice light golden brown. This is your coconut bake.